Hello my money makers. What if I tell you that Bible inspirational and prayer faceless content is the easiest video to create, is the easiest content to create? I know you want to doubt me. Before you doubt me, take a look at this channel, take a look at this video.
Friends, may I remind you that God is your protector.
And not only the easiest content to create, it is also an evergreen niche. What do I mean by evergreen niche? What I mean by it is an evergreen niche is that it doesn't go outdated. This channel keep getting views every single day. Now take a look at their videos that they posted 4 years ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's still getting views. Some are even getting 300 views per hour. So Bible / prayer / inspirational niche is an evergreen faceless niche that I personally will advise you to go for. And one good thing about this niche is that you can recreate the video that you posted last 2 years that is generating millions of views for you. You can recreate it this year. Take for instance, God's promises are evergreen. There is nothing like, oh, God's promises are outdated. No, God's promises are God's promises each day. So this is what I mean by it is not outdated. It will keep getting views and views. And bear it in mind that this type of content can thrive on all the social platforms. I have one of my mentees who started her own this January and she's doing amazingly well on TikTok. Not even one of my mentees, not 2 and not 3. They are absolutely doing well. So I don't want to waste time. Now, another thing is that as a faceless content creator who is into this niche, bear it in mind that it's not only through AdSense that you make money. No, you can sell items which relates to this religious background and you'll be making your money. Not only that, we have other beautiful ways of making money through this particular niche. I want to give you this cheat code for you to be a successful faceless content creator. Don't hesitate to look at those people who have been in that particular niche, in that your own niche. Look at what they do, follow their pattern, look at their title, look at their thumbnails, recreate such. Go to their videos. This is how you can become so successful on this platform. My heart desire is that before the end of this year, you will start cashing out with your faceless content. And don't forget that 2 things makes you to earn on this platform. You see strategy, you see consistency. So today I'm going to teach you how you can create their videos. You can see that they are doing amazingly well. You too can do amazingly well. If today is the first time that you are seeing my face, I'm a digital entrepreneur showing you the legit ways you can make money online, especially through content creation, which is the king of money making online. So go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel. Let's go. Now the first thing is to get our content ideas. Let's get our topic. And after getting our topic, we will have to develop this topic. I wrote prompts here which you have access to it on my WhatsApp channel. You can use the first one or the one I said, or this or this. So if you are going with generate 100 strong prayer points using Psalm in the Bible, the other one is generate 20 prayer points for a blessing and peaceful sleep. Make it a blissful bedtime. Now this is what I will do. I want it to be only on Psalms that it will get this. You take it to ChatGPT. As you all know, ChatGPT should be your friend. Now you can also make use of DeepSeek. We are going to compare the 2 of them in this class, okay? ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So paste this prompt. Generate 20 prayer points for a blessing and peaceful, okay? From the book of Psalms. The book of Psalms. Make it a beautiful bedtime and hit on generate. Now ChatGPT gave us these amazing topics, these prayer points. Okay, let us make use of DeepSeek for this. In case if you don't know, DeepSeek is just like a chatbot, just like ChatGPT, and it is very nice. I've used it. So let's head over to it. You can download DeepSeek from your Play Store or Apple Store. So go ahead and paste this. Let's see what DeepSeek will give us. Now look at what DeepSeek gave us. Very interesting, just like ChatGPT. I think they have close answers, like they have related answers here. Yeah, that's awesome. Now we are going to copy the second prompt. Head over to my Google Docs again. You have access to it on my WhatsApp channel. If you have not followed my WhatsApp channel, please do that immediately. Click on develop each prayer point, copy it, and head over to ChatGPT again. Paste it. Develop each prayer point into a 2-paragraph prayer. Ensure each prayer is up to 300 words to make the prayer section extended and meaningful. Now, why we are writing all these things like this, so that ChatGPT will not just give us a short answer. Okay. Amazing. So ChatGPT stopped at number 4. What I did was, I have to say, ChatGPT, please keep developing. ChatGPT now started developing other ones. As you can see, it's still developing it. The next step is to convert this our text to audio. And I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use. You have to copy this. We are going to make use of TTS OpenAI. So we are starting with a nice prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. You just copy it from here. Select text from here. Okay. So let's go to TTS OpenAI. You can see it here. Now you can use 11 Labs. You can use Dub. 11 Lab will give you more of natural voice. We are going to make use of TTS OpenAI. So this is it. A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. I'll drop it. You go back and copy the next one until it reaches 3,000 words here. So once you are done copying, come to this place. Click on this person here. This man here. You come and pick the voice you want. So I'm going to go with Echo, this one here. I'm going to go with it here. Click on it. You just make use of it. You now click on this green sign, the green circle, to start generating. Now our audio is ready. Let's play our audio.
A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. Heavenly Father, I come before you tonight in gratitude and faith.
Now the third step is to get our background music. You can use Pixabay, you can use YouTube audio library, and you can use this particular app. We are going to make use of Suno AI. Let's get it. Suno AI. Now this is Suno AI platform. I posted a video about Suno AI. Someone said that he cannot access it in Nigeria. Actually, I'm in Nigeria and I'm accessing this in Nigeria. So I make sure you're accessing the right Suno AI. So click on this music icon. Now this is what you do. Turn on your instrumental and come to this space and write. So look at what I wrote here. Quiet meditational background sound. Okay. This is it. You just click on create. It will start creating. You see it here. Now this is it. Suno AI is going to bring us 2 versions of the song. Now you have to pick the one that you want. Let's play it. That's the first one. This is the second one. So let's just get the first one. Click on that 3 dot there. Click on MP3 audio. Download it. You are downloading it as MP3, okay? Download. The fourth to the last step, which is let's get our video footage. Now let me tell you, some people will tell you use image, but I am telling you as a social media strategist that videos are more captivating than images. So instead of you to use an image, it's better you get a video footage. And for this, we are going to make use of freepik.com. You can use Pixels, you can use Vividly, you can use so many video apps, okay? But for this class, we are going to make use of Freepik. Now go to your browser, search for Freepik, freepik.com. Go down, you will see videos. Now if you are using a laptop, if you open it, you will still see videos there. Just that the interface will be different, but it's still the same content. Just go to your videos and click on it. Now this is what you will type. Quiet hills. Quiet hills. It's coming up. Now the ones that are with golden mark, that are with golden icons, please, those ones are paid version of Freepik. Now click on this. You see this kind of video, that's what we want. You go ahead and click 720p download preview. Do you see it? Now if you click on download, if you click on this blue download, it will download virtually everything, both the sound and everything, and it will be nice because someone added that sound, which is you're already taking someone's work. So you have to just click on download preview. That's all. So you have to download as many videos here as you want. You keep downloading each of them. 720p you download. Now this one comes out with 1080p. That is the one that we are going to use, 1080p. Tap on it, click on download previews to start downloading. The final step is to edit our video. The editing is very simple. I know you guys want something easy, don't worry. For this we are going to make use of CapCut. Go to new project, import the videos. Just like the way I'm doing, you import the videos you got from FreePic. So this is it. Now the next thing we have to do is to import our voiceover, that is our script, the one we generated with TTS OpenAI. Go to audio, go to search. Here is it.
A night prayer for blessing.
Now this is what I will do. I will come and raise the volume. Like
a night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep.
Raise the volume very well. And then I will also come and reduce the speed because I don't want it to be too fast. Okay, just a little.
A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep.
Let me reduce it again.
A night prayer.
Just small. Now the next thing is to bring our background sound. Now this is what I will do. I will come here. I will reduce the volume of this.
A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. Heavenly Father, I come before you.
Let me reduce it this way.
A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. Heavenly Father, I come before you tonight in gratitude and faith, seeking your presence as I lay down to rest. Your word in the...
Now I can decide to slow the speed of these videos. Okay. Now you have to keep adding these videos, like you have to be adding videos until it covers the space of this audio. Okay, let me show you what I mean. You keep add videos. So you keep adding and adding until it covers the whole audio. Now the next thing you do is to generate your text. Go to auto captions and generate it. Now we have generated our text.
A night prayer for blessing and peaceful sleep. Heavenly Father, I come before you tonight in gratitude and faith, seeking your presence as I...
Now another thing is to make this our text a bit bold. Let's raise it small. Not small. Let's reduce it. Just like this.
Blessing and peaceful sleep. Heavenly Father, I come before you tonight in gratitude and faith, seeking your presence as I lay down to rest. Your word in the Psalms assures...
Once you are done, you go ahead and hit export. You open your YouTube channel. Make sure you use studio.youtube.com to open your channel, optimize it, and from there you start posting. That's all. I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you start this kind of content or you have started already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.